In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change the size of cells in Excel. This is a simple adjustment, and once you know where to place your cursor, you can quickly change either the width of a column or the height of a row. The key is to work from the gray headers around the worksheet grid, because that is where Excel lets you resize cells. To change the width of a cell, move your mouse to the very top of the sheet where the column letters appear. These are the headers labeled with letters like A, B, and C. Place your cursor directly on the vertical line between any two column letters, such as the line between A and B. It is important to hover right on the border, not inside the cell itself, because Excel only shows the resize control when your cursor is in the correct spot. If you want to change the height instead, move to the left edge of the worksheet, where the row numbers are listed. Then place your cursor on the horizontal line between two row numbers, such as between 1 and 2. Just like with columns, you need to position the cursor exactly on the border line. When your cursor is in the right place, it will change into a black two-way split arrow. This is the visual sign that Excel is ready to resize the row or column. If you do not see that arrow, move the cursor slightly until it appears. Once the arrow is visible, click and hold your left mouse button. Then drag the line to make the cell size larger or smaller. Dragging outward will expand the width or height, and dragging inward will shrink it. As you move the line, Excel gives you a live preview, which helps you stop at the size that looks right for your worksheet. When you are happy with the new size, release the mouse button. Excel will keep that new width or height immediately. That is all you need to do. Just remember to use the border between column letters for width, or the border between row numbers for height. Wait for the black two-way split arrow, then click, drag, and release. That covers everything you need to know.